Miro integration with Lovable instantly turns collaborative specs into working apps for faster feedback, iteration, and alignment. My name is Costa, I'm a product manager, and this is an app we generated in Lovable based on our team spec in Miro. It matches our team's intent and is live embedded directly inside Miro alongside other project context for fast stakeholder alignment, user validation, and collaboration without switching tabs. Let's take a look at how we got here. In Miro, our team collaborates on definition. PM, design, and engineering working together to capture everything in one place. A product brief, user flow, and stories we've mapped out, as well as design language for reference. We're aligned on intent before any code is written. When we're ready, we paste the Miro board URL into Lovable. Through MCP, Lovable reads the full board and synthesizes the requirements, user journeys, and interface cues into a build plan. Lovable generates the app as specified on the board. User stories become features, flows become navigation, and the visuals inform design without any handoff friction. We embed the Lovable app inside the shared Miro workspace for review. As we refine the app in Lovable, changes sync automatically back to the live embed in Miro.